Well, yeah, I'm done. I guess I'll take a break from Animal Jam for a little while, and I might come on occasionally, but not really often. I'm currently very upset over a few things that happened today, and I can't really fix them in any way. To be honest, I don't really want to talk about what happened today either. It is just, I don't even really want to play Animal Jam anymore. And I'm sorry that I sound really crappy right now. It's because I've been crying for like the past half hour. And I'm just gonna take a break for a little while from Animal Jam. I don't know what else there is to say. Bye, I guess.